Hi, I'm Amber and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we talk all about manifestation, spirituality, and personal growth. Today, I'm talking about manifestation and how you can use it to completely transform your life. I know that manifestation has been used a lot on social media, and a lot of people send me DMs on Instagram and they're like, hey, I hear you talking about manifestation, but what exactly is it? Like, I'm kind of confused. So if you are in the same boat, girl, this video is for you. So let's start with the word manifest. What does that actually mean? So manifest is a verb. It's a word of action. And when you're manifesting, it means that you are bringing something that was once in your dreams or in your mind into your physical reality. So essentially, to manifest something is to make your wildest dreams come true. And we make our wildest dreams come true by tapping into the energy of the universe and by getting on that same vibrational wavelength of what it is that we want to attract. Now, when I said get into the vibration, I'm sure some of you were like, what does she even mean? And it's really important to note that the world around us is all energy. Literally everything is vibrating. Me, the desk, the camera, my thoughts, my feelings, literally everything in the world is vibrating at a certain frequency. And as you can see from the chart, different emotions vibrate at different frequencies. So you can see that fear and hate and shame vibrate at a lower frequency than enlightenment, peace, and love. So when you're manifesting something, you are getting into the energy of what it is that you want to manifest. So what kind of vibes are you giving off in your life right now? Are you giving off the energy of abundance and prosperity, love, happiness? Or are you living in lack and shame and guilt and fear? So regardless of where you are right now, you have the power to consciously create any life that you desire. Next question might be, okay, so how do I actually start manifesting then? What are the steps? Keep watching and I'm going to tell you exactly how. So the first step of manifesting is getting crystal clear on exactly what it is that you want. This means really asking yourself the right questions and figuring out what would make you feel so fulfilled on such a deep level. What does your perfect relationship look like? How much money do you want to make a year? What does your dream home look like? A lot of people don't really know the answer to these questions. They might say that they want to be rich, or they want a happy life, or they want a good relationship, but they don't really know what that actually means and what that is really going to look like. And on top of getting clear on what you want, it's really important to understand why you actually want it. What is it going to make you feel to have this result? How is that going to impact your life and the life of others as well? And it's so important to have a strong why, because that is really going to help you on your manifestation journey. If you aren't crystal clear about what it is that you want, it's going to be really hard to manifest it. It's almost like getting in your car and driving off with no destination in mind. The GPS is really not going to know what to tell you and how and where to take you. So it's really important to give the universe a clear location. Let it know where you want to go, and then trust that the universe is going to guide you there. So once you've gotten crystal clear on what it is that you want, it's time to take action. You cannot just wait and expect for your manifestations to just bloop, fall into your lap. You've got to take action. So make a plan. You can start really small, just getting together the ideas of what you want and maybe what you need to learn and trying to learn those things and just taking one step at a time. But as you're taking these steps, you're taking action to get yourself closer to where you want to be. That's like saying you want to manifest your dream business, but you don't know what your business is going to be. You don't know anything about marketing, social media. So of course you're not going to grow a successful business if you don't start taking the time to learn what you need to learn and take action. One of the most challenging parts about manifestation are our limiting beliefs. We all have limiting beliefs, and it really hinders people and really can get into your way when it comes to taking action and really just trusting in yourself. There's a quote that I love, and it says, We don't get what we want in life, we get what we think we deserve. So in order to manifest, you have to feel like you are worthy of receiving what it is that you desire. So I really encourage you to take a look at your thoughts and your beliefs. What do you feel about yourself? Right? What beliefs do you have about the world, about wealthy people, about relationships, about your own skills and capabilities are you holding on to? And are these thoughts and beliefs empowering? And are they going to help you get to where you want to go? It's really important that you work on removing your limiting beliefs so that you can get out of your own way and that your manifestations can come to you a lot easier. If you're ready to manifest your dreams, first you've got to get crystal clear in your desires, you've got to start taking action, work on your limiting beliefs, and the fourth part is you have to embody the version of yourself who is already living your dream life. And really ask yourself, this version of myself who is living her dream life, how does she feel about herself? What does she do first thing in the morning? How does she spend her time? What kind of people does she surround herself with? And once you start getting clear on who this version is, start tapping into her, start showing up as her, start becoming the version of you who you want to be. And trust me, this is such a huge missing piece that a lot of people forget about during the manifestation process. And most importantly, it is so important to know that you are worthy of your desires. Anything is possible for you. It doesn't matter where you are right now, where you've come from, what you've done, anything is possible. And you've got to have complete faith that if you put in the work, if you work on yourself, that everything is going to work out. If you want more guidance on your manifestation journey, I teach a live manifestation ritual every single Monday night. It is so much fun, and it's a great way to tap into the energy of what it is that you want to manifest and be very intentional about it. So this is a really, really fun class. I encourage you to join. You can learn more all about this in the description and by visiting our website at www.embodymeme.live. While you wait for next week's video, I encourage you to watch the other videos on our channel all about manifestation, mindset, and personal growth. And check out these two videos over here. They're going to be a game changer for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.